This is a folding kind of all around charger. This is really cool. It's a 4-in-1. It works on Android and Apple. So you've got a lightning cable and a USB-C cable there. You can see the length of the cable, 650 millimeters of stretch right there. See what's in this box. I've actually not even taken this thing out yet. So you guys are seeing it for the first time that I'm seeing it. We get a little set of instructions down here. The instructions is very small. You know, it uses anything from Apple 5 to 16, which it can charge up to 4 phones at the same time. How awesome is that? And let me show you how it does that. So I like the bending feature right here. So if you put it in, you can bend it straight up. I have my van where I put it in and bend it up like that. So right here you have I think that's a 30-watt USB-C cable. Check that out, USB-C. Look at the stretch on that. I guess that stretches, you know, almost 3 feet. A 3-amp USB-A and a 3 USB-C coming out, and this is a 2.4-amp lightning cable. So if you've got an iPhone, it'll work on your iPhone. So basically, and if you're, I think 15 and up has the USB-C now. So that way it'll actually accommodate a wide variety of phones. But then what I also like about this is it's got the computer in here will actually separate the USB-C here and the USB-A there. So if you're charging maybe like some batteries or flashlight or something like that while you're driving, that'll work great for that. I think it's a great option for anyone that just needs multiple charging features in their van, truck, car, or van, or something like that. So yeah, let's go put this thing to the test. So let's just test it out. Now I can only test it out and just show you that it charges. Well, it charges my iPhone pretty good. So watch when I want to get rid of this. I just let it go. It's tucked away nicely, and then I could add extra cables here. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the 4-in-1 car charger. Multiple car chargers. See you all in the next video.